Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Cinema Space 4K. I ordered a smartphone from Sinewine.com and got it today. This is all about the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact. I bought this smartphone because of its compact size, premium camera and the lightweight design. So without wasting much time, let's open the package. First we are seeing a lot of bubble wrap. Inside the big bubble wrap, we see a small bubble wrap. I think this phone is very small than I expected. It seems tiny by seeing at this package size. So here's our phone. This phone is very tiny in real life. It is much smaller than my hand. So let's unbox the product. This is our Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact. I bought this for 6,500 rupees, but I didn't get any accessories, not even a charger with this device. That was disappointing, but let us look at the condition of the smartphone. So this is the smartphone. There's a Docomo branding there, the Xperia branding. I ordered a silver color version. There was only silver color version in the store, so I bought this obviously. And you can see the NFC branding, the camera sensors and the flash. The back panel is made out of plastic and the sides are made out of aluminum. So far the quality seems nice. There's no scratches or any other noticeable defects with the smartphone. Pretty much same with the screen too. There's no scratches or anything with the screen. Let us turn on the device. The first boot takes some time, so I will forward all the setup screen and those stuff. So I finally set up the device. This is the smartphone. There's no bloater or anything like that. Let us go and check the Android version. The Android version is Android 10. So the smartphone is updated to the latest version. You don't need to do it manually. The battery capacity is also good as it is showing 80% or more. I manually checked the battery capacity and it is 93%. This is the smartphone up close. There's no screen defects or anything like that. Let us test the camera. And let me talk a bit about this camera. This camera is a 90 megapixel sensor made by Sony, specifically the Sony IMX400 sensor. The advantage of this sensor over other smartphones is that this natively shoots 19 megapixel photos, while other smartphones brag about 50 megapixel, 108 megapixel or even 200 megapixel. Only some of them can shoot at that native resolution. Most of them just pin down to 12 megapixel, which makes this a better camera in terms of overall detail and quality. Now let's test the screen. The display is a 2160 by 1080 IPS LCD display. Excuse my internet is only 30 megabits per second. That's why you see some buffering in the 4K mode. However, in 2K mode it is perfectly fine. You can see the display quality up close. This display, even though it is IPS LCD, boasts some vibrant colors and some inky blacks. This is one of the reasons why I like Sony smartphones. Even their IPS displays are awesome. So that was my overall unboxing of this Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact I bought from Sinewine. Overall, this is a nice phone. I will post a review after using it for around 1 to 2 weeks. I will also link the product in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.